For more than 2 decades, work in brand leadership has repeatedly shown me the same pattern. Brand performance often reflects leadership decisions before leadership teams fully recognize their effects. That is what led me to develop the Leadership Friction Framework. Today, I work with CEOs, boards, and leadership teams at high-stakes inflection points where growth, complexity, repositioning, or AI speed have begun to weaken clarity inside the system. Decisions slow, ownership blurs, teams stay busy, but coherence thins. Work now bridges brand leadership and leadership friction, helping organizations strengthen market meaning externally and reduce the internal friction that weakens strategy from the inside. Because when output is abundant, leadership must still decide what matters. Judgment becomes the strategy. Brand is leadership made visible.